How's it going, guys? Arrow here, and in today's video I'm just going to show you guys how to remove the green screen from Adobe Premiere Pro and on StreamLabs OBS. Alright guys, so sit tight and enjoy the video. Alright, so first off, once you guys got your Adobe up and the green screen you want to remove, so for me it's this big old subscribe button. So easily enough, just down here in the bottom you want to go to effects, search Ultra key. You want to drag the Ultra key on to say whatever you want to remove the green screen from. Once you've done that, grab the little eyedropper, ink dropper thing over here on the left underneath effect controls. Click it and boom, there you go. It is gone. And now if I did have a video under this, it would just be see-through. There would be nothing else there. Alright, and now we're just gonna quickly jump over to StreamLabs, and I'll show you guys how to do it over there. Alright, and then once you guys are over in StreamLabs, easy. This is like so easy. It's actually crazy. So you just want to find your webcam source. Mine's just right down here in sources. So you right click on that, open filters, hit the plus button right here. This little drop down thing will come down, and then you click filter type. You want to scroll down until you find chroma key, and then you just click that and done. And then if I move this over here, look at that. Green screen is gonzo. And then you can also adjust if you need to, like this, all this stuff here. But I typically just leave it because it was already good. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. All right, guys. Until next time, have a good day.